This video will explain how to create a new encounter for an existing patient who is currently enrolled in a SCAMP. Encounters for the patient can be created from the enrollment panel on the patient page for any SCAMP the patient is currently enrolled in. So let's consider the same patient, Joe Doe, and let's display his page. So this is my patient. I will go to the patient page. And to begin a new encounter for the patient, you just click on the new encounter button on the patient page. So let's create a new encounter for the SCAMP he is currently enrolled in, which is Food Challenge. So as you can see, the encounter dialog box popped up, prompting you to enter the information about the encounter. I have to mention that in this dialog box, if the provider and the location where the encounter took place are already known, they should be entered in the system from the utilities or admin page. Please note that even if providers and locations are not mandatory, if they are not entered before creating a new encounter, they cannot be entered manually at the time when you create a new encounter, so you can still create the encounter without them, but the information will be missing. You can still enter providers and locations later on by editing the encounter and clicking update, and I'll show you how in a moment. So let's just close this box for now. And I will open the utilities page in a new tab, and I'll show you how you can enter new locations and providers. So this is the utilities page, and if you click on providers, this will open up the providers page. And if you click new provider, you can enter a new provider. And same goes for new locations. So I'll go back to the utilities page, click on locations, and the new location will open up an add location page. So let's go back to the patient page and let's create a new encounter for Joe Doe. So first I will choose the date and time. Let's say August 24. Visit type outpatient, location. You can also notice the auto-filling feature. So when I start typing, if the new location is already there, it will show up in the drop-down. And provider. And then I will choose the SCAMP, which is Food Challenge, and the encounter type. You will see the drop-down, and I will choose SDF1 for this example, and then hit create. After clicking create, you will see the new encounter that I just created in the patient encounters list. Right now I have 2 encounters for this patient. So now if you edit the encounter, you can update it at any time if, for example, you want to enter the provider and the location. So if I click on view edit encounter, I can edit any information I want about this specific encounter, and then just click on update, and it will update the information. The second section in the patient page is the patient encounter list, this table, and it will be explained in more detail in the next video. The next video will also describe the information associated with an encounter.